AI feels magical, but it's actually built on a very few simple ideas. So in this video, I'll explain you the 5 AI concepts every person should understand. So with tiny examples and super simple explanations. So let's start. So first is tokens. How AI read text. So think of tokens as the letters and pieces AI uses to understand text. We humans read like this. Elephant, elephant as a one word, but AI reads like this. Elephant as in EL E PHANT. So with 3 tiny pieces. So another example, unbelievable may become unbelievable. So AI does not see entire words. It sees small chunks. Why this matters? Because AI builds your answer one tiny token at a time. So AI is basically doing this like what is the most likely next small piece of text. So it keeps predicting piece by piece until the whole sentence is formed. So imagine cutting a piece of cake into slices. AI eats the cake slice by slice, not the whole cake. So next is concept is embeddings. So how AI understands meanings without understanding. So humans understand meaning through experience. AI cannot do that. So AI turns every token into a numbers. So these numbers capture the feeling or meaning of a word based on how it appears in the real world. So for example, words that appear in similar places get similar numbers like happy and joyful. So close numbers, king and queen, close numbers, computer and banana are far apart. So real relationship example like AI learns that king, man, queen, woman because they appear in similar patterns online. So AI doesn't know what a king is, but it has seen that king and queens appear in a very similar context. Think of embeddings like GPS coordinates for words. So words with similar meanings live near each other on the map. So next concept is attention. How AI focuses on their right words. Attention is the reason modern AI works so well. So it allows AI to understand which words matter in a sentence. For example, the sentence is the boy gave the dog water because it was thirsty. So who is thirsty? The dog. The word it could refer to a boy, dog, or water. But attention helps AI focus on the dog. Attention draws a line like this. It, dog. Why it matters? Without attention, AI would get confused. Stories wouldn't make sense. Pronouns he, she, it would fail. instructions wouldn't be followed. So attention lets AI find relationships between words, no matter how far apart they are. It's like using a yellow highlighter when reading. You highlight the important words. The next concept is context window. AI's temporary memory. So AI does not have memory. It cannot remember your past chats. It cannot store long-term knowledge. It only remembers what fits inside a context window. For example, think of a whiteboard. So if the whiteboard can hold 200 lines of text and you keep writing, the oldest lines get erased. Same with AI. If you talk too long, the beginning gets deleted from the model's memory. Why this matters? If your conversation is too long, AI forgets. If you give too many instructions, AI drops earlier ones. So if context is full, accuracy drops. So context window is AI's short-term memory. It's limited. When it's full, old info falls out. Just like scrolling, old messages move out of line. The next topic is reasoning. How AI solves problems even without understanding. So this is the most misunderstood concept. AI does not reason like us. It doesn't think logically. It doesn't understand problems. AI simply predicts what a good explanation or answer look like based on patterns it has learned. So if you ask AI like what is 17 into 24, so AI answers 408. It didn't calculate it step by step. It predicted the answer because it has seen thousands of multiplication patterns. Another example, like if you ask, explain recursion. So AI outputs like recursion is when a function calls itself. So it predicts this because the pattern is strong in training data. Why it matters? AI sometimes gives incredible smart answers and sometimes gives confident but wrong answers because it is not reasoning. So AI is like a student who has memorized millions of answers from past exams. But when you ask a question, the student picks the most similar answer pattern, even if it sometimes guesses wrong. So here's how AI actually works in simple flow. So tokens break text into small pieces. Then comes embeddings. Turn them into numbers. Attention. Figure out which words matter. Context window. Remember only what sits in the window. Reasoning. Predict the next best piece of text. So AI isn't thinking or understanding, it's recognizing patterns. So millions of them faster than any human can. That's the power of modern AI. And those were the 5 AI concepts everyone should know. If you want the next video to be how AI agents think, let me know in the comments.